This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by Sharon Wheeler. Beautiful 3-bed/2-bath, all-electric home, just minutes outside city limits. Split floor plan with a large master bedroom, tray ceilings, walk-in closet and large master bathroom with double vanity, jetted tub and separate step-in shower. The main living area with a vaulted ceiling projects a spacious feel. Laminate and tile floors. 2-car attached garage leads into the mud/laundry room. Efficiency kitchen leads to a cozy dining area, from which your family and guests can congregate on the large new deck. Great spaces for entertaining or enjoying your morning coffee while you watch the sunrise. Over 3/4 of an acre. Gorgeous mountain views. Plenty of space to garden. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Wheeler.